Cabbage is a leafy green, red, purple, or white, pale green, perennial plants grown as an annual vegetable crop for its leaf head. Cabbage is a popular natural ulcer remedy. Doctors reportedly use its decade before antibiotics were available to help ulcer stomachs. It is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant shown to help prevent and treat H. pylori infection. How does cabbage help ulcers? Cabbage has glutamine help to fortify the mucosal lining of the gut and to improve the blood flow to the stomach, meaning it is not only help prevent ulcer but can also help healing of existing sore. You may find relief from the pain of the stomach ulcer if you choose a healthy diet, consider foods containing probiotics, consider eliminating milk, control stress, don't smoke, limit or avoid alcohol, try to get enough milk. Cabbage is a great for weight loss and beautiful skin. It is low in fat and high in fiber. Cabbage also help keep skin looking healthy, toned, blemish-free, and glowing. It is rich in an antioxidant including vitamin C and beta-carotene. Cabbage is a healthy food. It is an outstanding nutrient and especially high in vitamin C and K. In addition, eating cabbage may help lower the risk of certain diseases, improve digestion, and combat inflammation. Cabbage juice health benefits: detoxifying the skin, builds immunity, aid in weight loss, prevent risk of cancer, aids liver function, build immunity, natural ulcer remedy. Now we already know the health benefits of cabbage. Let's make cabbage juice. Cabbage juice: 1 cup sliced cabbage, 1 lemon or orange, 1 glass water. cabbage juice. Ayan, sarap. Subscribe sa aking channel, pindutin niya ang subscribe at notification bell para maging updated pa kayo sa mga susunod na mga tutorial videos na gagawin ko. Hanggang sa muli, I'm your Jelson TV and I'm signing off.